Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Doctor Slone in her Battlesuit. So let's go to the top here. Let's have a look. Start off with her glasses, I think. So got yellow glasses on. Let's start with the bridge of the glasses. I think right here, two little lines like that. Next we're going to draw two circles for the rims of the glasses. So there's one and there's another. Let's do two more circles inside of that. So one and two. Cool. Let's put a nose in just underneath, just a little arc like so. Let's put some lips. So it's got a bit of a smile on her face, so lips like that. And then we're just going to go around, do an arc underneath. Just going to do a little bit inside there as well, like so. Let's look at doing the face from the cheeks. So I'm going to do cheek down to a chin, down to about there. So I'm just going to go down like so. Do the same from this side. Just like that. Okay, let's draw some hair. So Dr. Slone's got some quite big hair going on here, so I'm going to do some jagged edges out like so, just around down to here. And let's do the other side, so going out the other way. So some cool funky hair. Then we're going to just go do a little bit around here like that, and then just a little bit there. Then let's put in some bits here, and then just put some texture in. So just some more jagged areas like so, all around. Let's do some eyes. So I'm just going to do a curve and out for the top of the eye inside the glasses, and on the other side. Then we're just going to do a circle within there to show the eyes off. Got a thin neck, so I'm going to do two lines just below the chin. One, two, like so. Let's just edge that off with a line like that. Then it's like a neck area of the Battlesuit, so I'm just going to draw two little curves like so. Let's just draw an arc around like that. Two shoulder areas, so I think what I'll do is I'm just going to do a line out to about here and a line out to about here. Just do a line across and line across like so. Just got some big battle pads on here. So on this side here on the arm, I'm going to do an arc around like so, and then we'll just draw a curve again around the shoulder pads. Same here, nice big shoulder pads. Okay, let's look at the battle plate armour just on the top part here. So that kind of goes around from maybe here. So I've got a point there. I'm going to do a line up and a line up here. Then out, out. Let's have a look. I think then do a line here. And then we're going to join this up here, like so, here, like so. Then the plate armour comes out a bit, so I'm going to go a line here and a line out here, and we're just going to join these up, straight line, and here, straight line up there. Just going to do another little line underneath just to show that's coming out. Line under there. Cool. Okay, got a bit of a torso area here and a bit of texture here, so I'm going to put a rectangle in just here like that, and then we're going to do 1, 2, 3 lines in there. Let's do a curve here on this side and a curve here on this side. Then I'm just going to join this up to here from the edge here, going down. Same again here, up here, and down. Okay, that's good. Just a little bit of further torso, just a little, couple of lines here, straight line like so here. Okay, next there's a belt area, so I'm just going to do another rectangle. I'm going to go across all the way to the edge again, across all the way to the edge again. Leg's going to come out this way, so starting maybe there, just going to go down to the knee points, so a straight line, and here to the knee point here. Same here, so diagonal line straight down there, and a diagonal line just to there. A couple of smaller knee pads, so I'm just going to do some circular knee pads here. And I'm going to draw the legs coming down to boots. So I think I'm going to have a line here, and do the same again, a line and a line to here. There's some big chunky boots, trainers she's got on. So I'm going to come out here, straight down to the edge. From here, diagonal down, bring that around, just join that up like so. Just have a chunky sole. Do the same on the other side. So a line out here, down, one out here, curve round, and then let's just do the underneath, and again. That's good. And then I think looks as though line here and a line here. Nice one. Okay. Let's do a couple of arms. So we're going to go down to the elbow area. So a line here, same here, line here, line here. Then there's a couple of pads on, so I'm going to do a couple of lines just to show that off. Then I'm going to draw her arm down here, 2 lines like so. Then what we can do around here is a curve, show like the elbow armour. Same thing here, just draw that down there. Couple of lines for the elbow armour there. Now we can join this up, so this can go in here to the top there. That can join up there, so it shows where it's holding. Line here, like so. Line up here, and here, like so. Let's do a line on the bottom parts of the arms. And she's got gloves on. So what I'm going to do is a rectangle square there. Then we're going to do the thumb. Then we're going to just do a curve around for the finger around. Just show that for the fingers there. And there's another little pad on the glove, I think, like so. Okay, let's do the same here. So a bit of a square there. And we're going to do a thumb. She's holding a gun in this hand, I think. So I'm going to do a curve down to here. It's around there. And then with the gun, just going to do a long rectangle down, like so. Just do that little pad on the edge there, like that. Okay, brilliant. There's a couple of straps on the top of the leg there, so just fill those in. A couple of lines, show a bit of detail. And then what I think we do on this side, same thing. Just going to draw a line around here. This seems to link up to the belt up here, so it's going to do 2 lines up here, like so. Must be a holster around this area here, so I'm just going to do a line out, down and around. Show that off there. Okay, that's good. Now, on the panel area here, there's a rectangle in the middle, so let's just fill that in. Then there's like a triangle on either side, so I'm going to do 1 line here, 1 line here, and then I'm going to come out to there, like so, and out to there, like so. Now this little piece in the middle has got some iconography on it, so just going to fill that on. Like that. Let's just colour around that area there. Nice, that's looking good. Right, okay, let's just put a bit of ground. Let's going to put some rocky area behind, so just do some jagged edges. Looks a bit like the desert behind her there. Let's get the black, colour in a little bit more. So let's have a look. Let's fill in like the hair area. So I'm just going to go around where I filled in, just have a few little highlights, just showing it off as I move around here. Just a few areas where the light will be bouncing off the hair. I'm just going to fill in this torso area down here. And these straps here, I think they'll be good if they're a bit black as well. So let's just fill that in. And this bit here. And the gun area, I'm going to leave the top little area part there, just fill that in. Yeah, that's cool. And the straps here. And this strap here, let's fill that in. And the holster area down here too, let's fill that in. Okay, that's good. With these shoes, let's fill those in. Okay, just got a little bit of detail I want to put in on the armament here. So we have kind of a semicircle going on here and here. And I think what also happens is we've got another semicircle that meets it up. So I'm going to do another one there and another one there. Let's just put another semicircle in for a bit of detail either side as well on that one. This panel I think gets strapped up to the top here, so we can do 2 lines up there and then we can just fill that in black as well. Then this black I think we should fill in around these areas. So what I'm going to do is get a skin tone colour and just do that face. Let's do the neck area as well. That's cool. Darker grey. And just go around the arms, I think. This dark grey. And around here too. Around here. Let's have a look. Let's do the legs as well. Okay, let's do the lower legs. And then I think just at the top here, let's just do the top bits. That darker grey as well. And possibly just go straight along there like that. Let's get a lighter grey. Just fill in the belt area in the middle here. And I'm just going to do these areas. And to show the lighting off, I'm going to do this area here as well. Let's do the glove parts. And I'm just going to fill the gloves in, just like so. Let's get like a bronzy colour now. And what I'm going to do is do the armoury in this colour. So, yeah, that's it. Like fill that in. Maybe just leave the top area so it's a little bit more detailed, like a bit of light coming off the top. Same goes for these bits here. I'm going to cut into them and just going to colour in. That's good. Colour in these bits here. here. And then I want to do this main panel really, so I'm just going to fill that in here. Let's cut into this bit as well. Just leave a bit at the top, let the colour pop. That white light bounce off the top of it. Let's colour in this bit here. That's okay. Do this belt area that colour as well. And I think I might just colour these parts of the glove in. Then the kneecaps, do the same thing. Just leave a little bit of colour. So I'm just going to cut into it. Just let the light bounce off that bit. And then this part here as well. Colour those bits in. Nice one, okay. Just want a little bit of nice yellow pop, I think, next of all. So let's do the glasses. Nice bit of yellow just around there. Also going to put it on just down here as well, just on the rocky background. Nice one, that's cool. Then I've got colour, just colour her lips in. So just like a light red colour for the lips there. I've just got a light blue. I just want to just colour in, just bounce off the hair, just around the top. Just add a bit more to it. Just going to fill in some areas, not all of it, just some areas where it's white, just to show a bit of a highlight on there. And then I can use that blue as well for the glasses. Just going to colour into those. And maybe we'll just add a little bit of blue onto the edges with a lighter grey as well, just to make it sort of bounce off. Just like that. Just going to fill the bridge, those glasses in as well, make that yellow work. And I think that's it. That is Dr. Slone on Art Draw. Thanks for watching.